Oduduwa descendants troop out en masse in 1 million man march for unity. The coalition of Oduduwa descendants (COD) code on Friday held a 1 million man march for the unity of Nigeria, expressing firm belief and unallowed commitment to peace and prosperity of the country. The rally, which was held in Abuja, was attended by 20 chapters of the group from the Federal Capital Territory and the 19 northern states. In his address, Coordinating President Comrade Dauda Owolabi said the country's unity remains sacrosanct and non-negotiable. Owolabi pledged solidarity with the federal government in her various efforts at translating the hopes and aspirations of all Nigerians into tangible reality. According to him, those canvassing for the Oduduwa Republic are not one of us and shall never be, because their agitations are born out of absolute mischief intended to truncate our nascent democracy. He, however, warned that his members and other true descendants of Oduduwa will not watch the enemies of Nigeria have their way, hiding under whatever nomenclature that would lead to chaos and disunity. Thank you for listening to this news. This is what I said before. I said that it's going to be very difficult for Oduduwa Republic to be quickly actualized because of the division between themselves. They themselves have not yet agreed. The people that agreed and concurred for the republic are less than the people that didn't agree for the republic. So you tell me, how possible is it going to be for them to easily achieve the republic so fast? I don't think it's going to be possible. I don't think so. So it is better that they just first of all work on themselves first. I think the Oduduwa children and descendants, or whatever they call themselves, need to work on themselves. They need to agree first, agree with themselves. Let them see reason why they should speak in one voice. Let them see reason why there is need for Oduduwa Republic before coming out to speak up and say we are pursuing a republic. If you look at Biafran, you will see that Biafrans are more united and more in one voice. You understand? If you look at it, you see that the people under the support for Biafran Republic are 99% than those that are not in support. And those that are not in support are those Igbo leaders and the people that they have succeeded in deceiving. Understand? In fact, they are not more than 1%. Yes, let me put it that way. Understand? So those ones on their own cannot distract the Biafran actualization. And even Biafran on its own has already actualized the freedom already. You know, they're just waiting for the pronouncement. You understand? So there is no need one getting worried over nothing. I get it now. So I will say that the people of Oduduwa Republic should learn from the Biafrans. They should learn from the Biafrans and see how they too can work with one voice. You understand? Because the journey for republic actualization is not a day journey. It's not a day journey. is something that they really need to agree. They really need to watch and agree. It's not a one-man decision. This is a collective decision. They need to collectively agree. You understand now? So if there is no collective agreement, I don't think the the achievement is going to be easy. You understand? It's not going to be easy. All right. Then, as for these descendants that are against the actualization, well, they know their reasons, and they know why they don't want the Oduduwa Republic. Understand? But my advice for them is that they should look deeply. They should not be deceived by anybody. You understand? They should not allow themselves to be deceived. No one should tell them a lie. You understand? So if they really want the republic, they should start working on it now. Now is the right time for them to work on the actualization, because I'll tell you, there is no time. There is no time for anybody. So they should start working on themselves now. Now, like now. You understand? Because it's going to help on the long run. Okay, so the delay, it can be dangerous, but there is something that I'm still yet um, I'm still trying to understand. Oduduwa Republic. You see, these Yorubas, at first they were not um they were not pursuing this republic, because to me they are doing well in Nigeria. They are very okay. Are they not the one with the northerners that are ruling the country? So why the worry? Why the agitation to own a republic? Eh? See, I'm suspecting that they are just afraid that Biafrans, as soon as they actualize their dream of their own republic, that the country is going to be a mess. I think that's the main reason why they decided to pursue their own republic. Well, that's their own. They know the reason. Anyway, okay. So, my viewers, please, you really need to come into this matter. Okay, your comment concerning this news are very important. Do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.